English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels O and O, step 2. Now, in this video, I'm going to go through the answers to a practice exercise. You can find the practice exercise in the step 1 video. So let's look first at the individual words. Now, number 1, coat, coat. Number 2, close, close. Number 3, toe, toe. Number 4, snow, snow. Number 5, coke, coke. Number 6, court, court. Number 7, clause, clause. Number 8, tour, tour. Number 9, snore, snore. Number 10, cork, cork. As I mentioned before, there are many variations in the pronunciations of these sounds in English. And here, RP would be like this, O. For example, coat, close, toe, snow, coke. And the RP, received pronunciation, for this sound would be O, as in court, close, toe, snow, cork. So be aware, received pronunciation is often different from the other variations that you can hear in Scottish, American, Australian English. So let's move on to the sentences. Sentence 11. I don't drink Coke in the morning. Number 12. We saw more snow on the coast. 13. She wrote with chalk on the old blackboard. 14. They thought about going to Rome in October. 15. He closed the door and took off his coat. Again, it's important to be aware that there are variations in the pronunciation of these words, depending on the region or the country where you come from. For example, the first one there would be in received pronunciation, I don't drink Coke in the morning. But in my pronunciation, it's I don't drink Coke in the morning. You can hear slight variations, but it's important to remember the spellings and the pronunciations of these words. So that brings us to the end of this step 2 video on the pronunciation and spelling of the sounds O and O. Now, this is one of a series of videos, so you can watch the others in the series, and you can also watch the overview video in which I talk about all the vowels and the spellings of the vowels, the sounds and the spellings of the sounds in English. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.